You're staring at it's a 74 MZ in numerous states of disrepair. I claimed 87 miles. It hasn't ran right in a long, long time. I got it. The wiring was totally butchered and hacked up. I've got it back together. They're not pretty, but you could ride it around if you wanted. New condenser. Show you the condenser here. Look at that thing. That thing had rotted. The incredibly low mileage is really neat, but it looks like it sat outside beside a shed for 30 years and water ran through everything. So I had it running once for like a minute, but it just shut off and the electric's fried. I think that's been the story its whole life. So let's see what happens. There's a fresh 6-volt battery. I have spark already. You will see my fancy switch here. It's just 2 jumper leads. I broke the switch. But other than that, it should start. So let me get it ready. We are neutral. Do I choke it? No, choke it. Maybe else. Oh, it was choked. Okay. I don't know if that works or not. Here we go. Contact. No. He's angry. Carburetor might be clogged. Or it doesn't want to be choked. Oh. At least it starts real well. I don't know if the timing's off or what. That's spark. Take 5. I took the plug out. Realize it's getting excellent spark, but not a drop of fuel's made it in there yet. Could be the engine seals are blown out of it. Sucking too much air, you know. Could also be it's just junk. All those probably. Contact. And it shut off. Had to let it air out. It shut off on its own. Either carburetor or, well, more than likely, as you can already guess if you know your old bikes, 2-stroke could suck it in air around the crankshaft. Let's just see. No idea. No idea at all. Why is it shutting off? Oh, carburetor. Okay.